विजन यूएसए में बहुत बहुत स्वागत आपका, बहुत बहुत कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन। या ग्लिट्स विजन यूएसए। ओके, तो पहले बताइए, हम जब शो लॉन्च हुआ था यहाँ पे ही था शायद, आई थिंक बैकयार्ड में आए थे कवर करने, नर्वस थी, एक्साइटेड थी। आज एक साल 200 एपिसोड्स हो गए हैं शो को, नंबर 1 है।
अभी भी नर्वस और एक्साइटेड ही हूँ, बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ, बहुत ज़्यादा नर्वस हूँ, क्योंकि अब एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आ गई है
जी।
You know, show is being loved now. We don't want to lose that love.
Right.
It's not about the TRPs. It's not about the number one show. But it is all about the love. I do not want to lose that love, and I'm hoping that Rajan Shahi makes sure with his vision and his team that we don't lose that love ever for the next 10 years. मैं तो यहाँ पर आके ना डेंचर्स में भी अनुपमा करना चाहती हूँ।
Okay, every time when you come on the set and you have to portray अनुपमा, क्या चीज़ को सोचती हैं कि आज as an actor ये सीन में ऐसा करूँगी, लोग और ज़्यादा
मैं नहीं सोचती, मैं नहीं सोचती। There's sometimes your method, your different kind of actors. It comes straight from my heart. I honestly speaking, I think of my father every day before entering the set. He's with me, and it is like he's my guiding force. Because पापा ऐसी ही फिल्में बनाते थे, कोरा कागज, तपस्या, साहेब, हम कदम, such beautiful films, such beautiful female characters. And I'm blessed that Rajan chose me to portray a character which was so close to one of my father's film's characters. And I feel blessed to be a part of this lovely unit which has a fantastic cast setup. My Ba, Toshu, my Samar, they are like the closest to that I'm on the sets. Pandey, who's like my biggest, he's my Jerry, I'm the Tom. And a set where I have dogs और मुझे क्या चाहिए, मेरा addiction है life का, मेरी hobby है. So I have Rajan indulges, and all of us are dog lovers. एक भी अगर ना होता ना तो फिर प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है कि अरे नहीं कुत्तों को हटाओ, ये हटाओ। कुत्ते सेट में घूमते रहते हैं, शॉट के बीच में अरे यार गब्बर जा तू उधर जाके सो जा, ऐसा वाला होता है। And so this is a blessed set. It is. I just think there is some divine powers up there for blessing us.
Rupali, has there been a particular scene ये जब आपने portray किया emotionally, वो scene खत्म होने के बाद भी you have been affected, और वो scene दिमाग में रहा है, like which
scenes तो कई सारे आए, बहुत ही brilliant scenes आए, चाहे वो अनुपमा का revelation हो, चाहे उसके बाद का जो उसका breakdown, the whole getting hyper or anything, all of them, there have been some brilliant scenes. I think every episode I have a brilliant scene.
Right.
But
if you have to pick one,
I can't pick one. There's such a plethora of scenes. I have been indulged. मेरी सारी जो हीरोइन बनने की तमन्ना है राजन जी ने पूरी कर दी। कि हाँ, मतलब डांस भी कर लिया मैंने, कॉमेडी भी कर ली, अनुपमा में मैंने लाइट हार्टेड वो भी कर लिया मैंने, रोना धोना भी कर लिया, इमोशनल सीन्स भी इतने फैंटास्टिक वाले मिले हैं। I think off my head there are 2-3 things that come to my mind. One was where I go to the helipad, and break down with Devika. The screaming in the night. It just shook me up. What if something like this actually happened to a woman? What if something like this actually, if I had to go, thankfully my husband is Sahil Sarabhai, not Vanraj, but what if I had to, go through something? It just shook me up. For every woman out there who has gone through something, जो अनुपमा के साथ हुआ है, hats off to all the women in US. Actually, my husband's from US, so I have seen the life there. I've lived with him there. So to all the women who wake up in the morning to do everything themselves. Here we have the सहूलियत of helpers and cooks and everything. वहाँ तो कुछ भी नहीं है. मेरी सारी sister-in-laws वहाँ रहती हैं. And वो लोग सब कुछ करती हैं. Even despite having everything and being very well settled, they still do everything in the house. It's hats off to them. So that one scene stayed with me majorly. The one where I break down with Devika at helipad. That, and there's one special scene that really touched my heart. Was my scene with Paras in the kitchen. It was a very simple scene where Toshu says that मैं जा रहा हूँ, मुंबई जा रहा हूँ. And she comes to the kitchen and he says कि अगर मैं भी चला गया तो. So it was just such a weird feeling because as a mother, I could just imagine if Rudransh becomes 18, 16, whatever, and says, "Hey, Mama, I have to go to America for studies." मेरी तो जान निकल जाएगी. मेरी जान निकल जाएगी. So yeah, that was one beautiful scene that I had. It was not major on drama or something, but it was just very sweet, and probably because it was with Paras, who I connect so much with.
Right. Okay. Lastly, Rupali से यही जानना चाहेंगे शो की USP जितनी अच्छी chemistry है.
USP is the story.
Yeah.
USP.
But what about the chemistry you people share off screen? Do you think उसकी वजह से on screen भी ज़्यादा
Absolutely. जितना मजा हम लोग सारा भाई में भी यही होता था. The reason सारा भाई is so iconic is because it was 1% of the fun that we had behind the scenes. यहाँ भी जब तक हम मस्ती मजाक लड़ाई झगड़े चलते रहते हम लोग, ऐसा नहीं है कि जैसे घर में सब फैमिली मेंबर्स रहते वैसे हैं. हम लोग झगड़ा भी करते हैं, हम लोग बहुत सारा प्यार भी करते हैं. वी आर वेरी फिजिकल विद ईच अदर. वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ फन ऑन द सेट्स at producer's cost and his time. बट सब अजीब अजीब से प्राणी ढूंढ के लाए हैं. ये कास्ट करते वक्त आई थिंक पहले पूछा गया था कि आर यू लिटिल मेंटल, देन यू आर ओके फॉर अनुपमा. So that is what he's done, and everybody is on the same page. Everybody is equally mad. Everybody has fun.
Right.